You know, this is the time of year we're eating a lot of stuff that we probably wouldn't normally eat. And then you feel real gunky and gross afterwards for days. And that's how I feel when I eat all the wrong stuff. Well, my name is Diana, and I was actually giving this lymph and liver cleansing product in return for this video. And this is what I like to go to when I'm feeling kind of, I say gunky, that's the best way to describe it, to help my body kind of get rid of all that stuff that I put in my system that it just doesn't agree with me. So I'm going to go over all the features, why you might want to consider using this as well, and then you can decide if this would be a fit for you. Think of it as giving your liver and lymphatic system a little spa day. These drops combine three key things: a liver support blend with milk thistle and artichoke, a lymphatic drainage complex with echinacea and dandelion, and a powerful antioxidant called glutathione. Together, they help your body flush out what it doesn't need, keep digestion moving, and protect your cells from everyday stress. Just shake the bottle, add the recommended drops to water or juice, and sip. Yes, it's gluten-free, it's non-GMO, it's non-soy, dairy, nuts, all that kind of stuff that you don't want. Does it upset the stomach? No. Take it with food and you won't have any issue at all. What does it taste like? It has a pleasant taste. I don't know how to, I just took it straight. It was fine, very pleasant. It's not like a fruity berry taste. It's not even that earthy. It's somewhere in between. So if you're looking for a great liver cleansing product that helps with your lymphatic system, definitely check this product out.